Hello mathematicians and welcome back. Today we're looking at volume and that's section 0-9, and the learning target we have for today is I can find the volume of rectangular prisms and cylinders. So again, that's what we need to know coming out of this, is to be able to find the volume of rectangular prisms and cylinders. So let's look at, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do this in pieces a little bit. So the volume for rectangular prisms is going to be length times width times height, and the volume for cylinders, that formula is going to be pi r squared times height. So again, volume for rectangular prisms, length times width times height, and volume for cylinders is pi r squared times height. So let's look at an example. What is the volume of a rectangular prism that has the dimensions 4 feet by 3 feet by 4 feet? That's just going to be multiplying length times width times height. So 4 times 3 times 4 is going to be 48 cubic feet, or 48 feet cubed. You could say that or write that either way. Okay, so that's what would happen if we looked at the volume of the rectangular prism. Now let's do one where we're also looking at the volume of a cylinder. And in this particular case, we have the formula again for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. So here's the question. If a cylinder has a radius of 3 inches and a height of 2 inches, what is the volume of the cylinder going to be? And in this one, we're just going to plug into the formula what we know. And we know that then the volume is going to be pi and then times 3 squared, because the radius is 3 inches, so we're going to square that, and we're going to multiply that times the height, which is 2 inches. So volume equals pi times 3 squared times 2, and if we multiply that out, we're just going to get 18 pi. So volume equals 18 pi, and you certainly could use a value for pi. Oftentimes we'll just use the value 3.14, which is not exact, but it's an approximation for pi. Remember, pi is something that keeps on going forever. It does not terminate. So we don't have an exact value for pi. So the actual just leaving it as 18 pi is probably going to be slightly more precise than what we do if we made an estimate. But I'd be fine if you either just leave it as 18 pi, or if you multiplied 18 times 3.14 and came up with an answer that way as well. Now we still need to do one more thing here. We're going to need, in this case, since we said it's inches, our answer is going to be in inches, and that is going to be inches cubed. Now our answer looks complete. Thanks very much. Let me know if you have any questions on either of these when you get to class. But again, appreciate how you're working on these, and look forward to seeing you very soon. Thanks a lot and have a real good day, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care.